Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Instagram bug on iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if Instagram is not working on your iPhone, then you can fix it very easily. So you can see here guys, here's the profile and you can see here guys, it's not working right now. So guys, if it's not working for you guys, just simply have to open App Store first and just simply have to search for the Instagram app. So let me search for the Instagram app. So from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to update your Instagram app. So let me update the Instagram app from here. If it's showing here, just simply have to update it and then close this page. And now from here guys, if you are using Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data or vice versa. And after that guys, you have to restart your device and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, go to the settings app and then scroll it down, then tap on general, then go to software update, and just simply you have to update your device to the latest iOS version and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, just simply have to close this page. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to the settings app, and from here guys, make sure that you're not connected with any of the VPN. And now from here guys, tap on general, and from here guys, make sure that your date and time is also correct, and then scroll it down and then go to transfer reset iPhone. Just simply have to go to reset, and from here guys, just simply have to reset your network setting and then restart your device. And after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is there guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to wait, because the Instagram source is on, that's why it's not working for you. Just simply have to wait, and after some time guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.